Okay, let's take a look at number 41 on page 378. We have to find the exact value of the trig expression given that the sine of u is negative 3/5 in quadrant 4, where u is between 3/2 pi and 2 pi, and the cosine is 15/70 in Q1 in, okay. So I kind of drew the pictures here already, and for 41 we have to find the sine of u plus v. We have the sine of u, we have the cosine of v. What we need to find is the sine of v and the cosine of u. So we're using the Pythagorean theorem, and for the what do we have given here? The adjacent side here, we need to, for the angle u, let's call it adjacent. So the adjacent side for the angle u is 25 squared minus a negative 3 squared, which is 9, which of course is 16, and this adjacent side is 4. And for the v, the angle v, we find the opposite side, which let's call it OPP. Opposite side is the square root of 17 squared, which is 289 minus 225. 289 minus 225 is 64. The square root of 64 is 8. So here you go. There you have it. Okay, now we can use the formula. And the sine of u based on the angle is negative 3/5 times the cosine of v, which is 15/17, plus the sine of v, opposite over hypotenuse, 8/17, times the cosine of u, and the cosine of u in quadrant 4 is positive, so that is 4/5. Let's do some arithmetic here. Let's not reduce it because we need to keep the same denominator. That gives us negative 45. 17 times 5 is what, 85? Plus 32/85, so we have the same denominator, and we do negative 45 plus 32 is negative 13/85. Here you go. That would be the answer for 41. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this and look at 43. The tangent is opposite over adjacent, so that is negative 3/4 plus 8/15, all divided by 1 minus negative 3/4 and 8/15. Okay, so now of course let's look in the numerator first. We need the least common denominator, which in this case is 60, so we're going to multiply by 15 here, and here by 4/4. Negative 45/60 plus 32/60. That is negative 13/60. Okay, 1 minus a negative, I'm multiplying 3 times 8, is 24/60. Now we have to have the same denominator, so that's actually 60/60, which is equal to 1 plus 24/60. So in the denominator, 60 plus 24 is 84/60. Now to simplify that, we have a fraction over a fraction. which means we have to multiply by the reciprocal. So negative 13 over 60 times 60 over 84, put something around it. We can reduce the 60s to 1, but that's about it. So the answer is negative 13 over 84. And that's it.